pull some of these Beyond Burgers out of here.
Can't believe you're using 2 packages.
Well,
it's gonna be a lot. I guess we can always freeze them.
We're not gonna have any left over. I'm using a recipe, like an Italian grandma recipe. And I'm just veganizing it.
Safe bet, I do that.
She calls for 2 pounds of ground beef. So I just cut the recipe in half because this is a pound of, wow, it's hefty. 1 full pound of Beyond Burger, 1 egg. You sure that's not too, that's
vegan egg, it'll be fine. Bob's Red Mill, gluten-free egg replacer.
Preheat the oven to 450. We're gonna cook these in there and brown them up a little before dropping them in the sauce.
Sauce. We haven't talked about the sauce yet, but it's homemade. It's been stewing for like, what, 5 hours now? What was that?
Taste it.
The egg?
Yep.
It's starch.
Going 1/2 cup of panko breadcrumbs. 1/4 cup of this Violife Parmesan cheese.
It's good stuff. Woo!
It's light and fluffy like air.
Mm-hmm.
It's crazy. They're gonna hit it with some pepper, onion powder. I'm not measuring these things, like just wing this. I'm pretty excited.
Oh yeah. It'll be great. We also have Beyond sausages.
Oh, hot Italian sausages we're putting in there. Garlic powder. You literally can't have enough spices.
Salt Bae is out of frame. ASMR. That's very satisfying actually. The crumbs.
That's meatballish. Well,
yeah, totally.
it's so cold. It's disturbing.
In here?
In the bowl.
Oh, in the world, in your heart, in the bowl.
That's a meatball?
Yeah, it is.
Do you think I could do anything to bind them more?
Add more breadcrumbs.
Yeah. Will you grab them?
Yes, sir. Where did you put them?
That's where I found them, little lady. I also scratched the back of my head, under my hat. Down a little. Oh, yeah.
Okay, we added more breadcrumbs. We're gonna do a test meatball
And by
on the
test
pan,
meatball,
just to make sure the seasoning's right.
it's just a tiny little patty.
Is that firm enough?
Sarah made something really special.
Oh, baby meatball.
There it is.
Sticking together fairly well. The taste test.
It just tastes like a Beyond Burger.
More seasoning?
Yeah. Taste it.
Mmm.
Does it taste like anything?
It's good though.
I don't think it needs more seasoning. I think in the sauce it'll be fine.
Yeah. It's good. We ended up adding more regular breadcrumbs just to make them hold together better. And some more seasoning.
Garlic and oregano, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So I perfected this technique.
Shaping your bowls.
Yeah. So they come like this, and I just give them a little, little one of these, right?
Yes.
Put them closer together. Right?
Yeah, it'll be fine.
Put these in for 10 minutes. Give them a flit. Just want them to get a little brown before I put them in the sauce. So they...
Crisped up the Beyond sausages. The sausages into the sauce. Nice. The meatballs are looking good. They're browning up a little bit.
God damn good. It's disgusting.
That's a little weird. Probably the breadcrumbs absorbed all the extra oil.
They're probably too fatty than that, like for meatballs. Right?
Really? I don't know. I feel like meatballs are pretty
You're supposed to use like 80-20.
luscious. They're perfect. Nestled in there.
We switched to a shallower pan.
We're just gonna let these stew while we record our podcast.
Check this out, ready?
Look at them. Oh my goodness.
Like how I'm just covering them up like
It's a good call.
a little blankie.
Sauce blanket. Band name. Nice. I was so excited. The pasta's done. It came out like real pasta. That we're reheating. Oh, I have more pasta in there. The skinnier noodles.
Look at this. Delightful.
Delightful.
They're so good.
Yay! They stick together. Wow.
Got some sausages in there.
Yeah. And we have more Via Life Parmesan to top it with. I'm so excited. Oh my
Ball
god.
fluff on top right there. This is mine, don't worry.
Well, I like spicy. Yay. Oh my god, I'm so excited.